In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the mouse scroll wheel going up and down. Now, if you're trying to use your mouse scroll wheel and it keeps jumping either up or down, maybe it's just unresponsive altogether, or it's just not working how it's intended to work, then there's a couple of things we can do to fix this. Now, the first thing you want to do is grab yourself a cloth, and you kind of want to use the end of this cloth to push down in the gaps in between this mouse wheel. What can happen over time is you can get dust and debris that build up in here, and it tends to block the mouse sensor, which causes this issue with the mouse wheel. So if you can just get a small cloth and you can try cleaning around the edges like so. Sometimes just doing that alone can solve the issue. Now, if you've tried that and it doesn't work, then the next thing I'd recommend doing is actually just blowing between these gaps here. Now, it sounds absolutely crazy, but really something as simple as that can fix the issue. All it takes is for a little bit of dust to go over this sensor, and it can cause the entire thing to malfunction. So if you just blow with your mouth pretty hard between these edges, you might need to do it a few times. That should now fix that issue for you. If you have compressed air, then you can also try using that, but usually just using your mouth and blowing a few times will fix that issue. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.